After constant rejections in interviews and feeling hopeless finding a job, I came to SouthX, which is a market for institutions all over. After wondering, I finally found the institute I was looking for, ITVedant, which would make me achieve greatness. When I went inside, I was greeted by Bhushita ma'am. Then Pratna ma'am explained the course details to me. And after enrolling, I am currently learning full stack web development with Python under the supervision of Nidhi ma'am. Her excellent way of teaching has helped me grasp these topics with ease, and my experience has been great so far. When are you enrolling at ITVedant?